Good morning, children. Yesterday there was a question from one of the girls, and the question was that she wanted me to repeat the last step where C3 cycle starts. So I would like to repeat that step for you, where C3 cycle starts. As I told you that during the night time, that was during the night time. I'm just making a rough diagram because we have already done it yesterday. This is for a child who asked me to repeat this. So this is mesophyll cell, and we are doing during night. During night. No, we are doing during daytime. We are doing during daytime. So whatever malic acid is collected in the vacuoles, here we have malic acid which is collected in the vacuoles. This malic acid diffuses out, it comes out, and this malic acid, when it comes out in the cytoplasm, it dissociates to form PEP, to keep a continuous supply of PP, and along with this, one CO2 is also released. One CO2 is also released, and at the same time, one molecule of NADPH2 is produced. NADP gets converted into NADPH. Now, as I told you, this malic acid is a 4-carbon compound. So when it breaks, when it dissociates, it forms a 3-carbon compound, PEP, which is a 3-carbon compound, and 3-carbon compound is formed here, and one carbon is here. One carbon is here. So all the 4 carbons are taken care of. All the 4 carbons are taken care of, and thus this CO2 is formed here. Now, continuous, as I told you, continuous supply of PEP should be there, because at night then again the stomata will open and the CO2 will enter. When at night CO2 will enter, it will be received by PEP. So continuous supply of PEP has to be there. Now what about this CO2 which is produced because of dissociation of malic acid? What about this CO2 which is produced? Because malic acid, which is a 4-carbon compound, dissociated to form a 3-carbon compound, PEP, and 1 carbon dioxide. Okay, so here 3-carbon compound is formed and 1 carbon dioxide formed. This PEP is ready again to receive CO2 when it forms H2CO3, which dissociates to form H and HCO3. Then what happens to this CO2 which is formed here? Now this CO2 which is formed here can start a new cycle, because till now, whether you saw during the night time or during the daytime, no glucose has been formed. Till now, the biosynthetic phase, that means the phase in which glucose is formed, has not taken place. Till now, no food has been synthesized by the plants, and plants are meant for synthesizing food, and till now no food has been synthesized by the plant. So something about the synthesis will now take place because of the CO2. So what is that cycle which helps in synthesis of food? What is the food in case of plants? Glucose. What is that cycle which helps in synthesis of food? The cycle which helps in synthesis of food is C3 cycle. So this CO2 can enter C3 cycle. And how will it enter C3 cycle? There is always RUBP in the mesophyll cells. Mesophyll cells have RUBP, ribulose biphosphate. This ribulose biphosphate is the acceptor, is the primary acceptor in case of C3 cycle. So carbon dioxide is already here, and RUBP is also here. So this carbon dioxide is accepted by this RUBP. So this carbon dioxide is accepted by this RUBP, and after the formation of RUBP, once it is accepted by RUBP, what starts? The C3 cycle starts. Or it has to be made, it will be better if we make it this side. If it is made this side, this CO2 accepted by RUBP, and then it results in the C3 cycle. So C3 cycle starts, And as a result of C3 cycle, first carboxylation takes place. You know, the three steps of C3 cycle are carboxylation and then reduction. And as a result of reduction, the second step of carboxylic cycle, glucose is given out. Glucose is formed, and then finally regeneration. The third step of C3 cycle is regeneration, and because of regeneration, RUBP is synthesized again. RUBP is synthesized again and is ready to accept more of CO2. CO2. So this way, if you see, the C3 cycle starts here, and the CO2 which is produced because of the dissociation of this 4-carbon compound malic acid is utilized here, and this PEP is ready to accept next carbon dioxide during daytime. So the synthesis has taken place, synthesis of glucose has taken place, and here the CAM cycle ends. Now beta, is it clear? CAM cycle is clear to you all now? I want your response quickly, bache, so that I can start with the next topic. Yes. Now this CAM cycle is clear. Yes, bache. Okay, I'm getting messages. Yes. Yes. So to everybody, this cycle is clear. So this was the last topic of photosynthesis in higher plants. So here we finish with photosynthesis in higher plants.